Hey everyone, welcome back to Passageway. I'm your host, Kim Cabaron. And today we're diving into living as God's temple in a materialistic world. Today's episode is going to be a good one. Let's get started. Now, God declares that our worth is not measured by what we own, what we achieve, or what we appear to be. Our value comes from Him alone, the one who created us, the one who redeemed us and chooses to dwell within us. Material things fade, break, rust, and lose their shine. But the love of God has for us it's eternal. Jesus didn't die for gold, houses, clothes, or status. He died for you and me. Now, that alone proves that we are more valuable than anything this world can offer. The world tells us to chase positions, to feel important. But in Isaiah chapter 43, verse 4, God tells us, "You are precious in my sight, and I love you." Our identity is not found in the latest trend, the size of our bank account, or the labels we wear. Our identity alone is in Christ Jesus. Because God's Spirit dwells in us. We are temples, sacred and deeply cherished. No object, no amount of wealth, no status symbol can compare to the worth God has placed on us. Now, in a world that constantly pushes us for more things, more comfort, more recognition, it is easy to forget that our true satisfaction comes from God alone, nothing else. Now, material possessions can serve us, but when they become the center of our hearts, they distract us from our ultimate purpose to glorify God and reflect His love in us. Resisting materialism begins with a choice to value God over things, to cultivate contentment, and to use what we have to bless others rather than hoard for ourselves. Gratitude, generosity, and mindful living are simple but powerful ways to remind ourselves that life is not measured by accumulation but by faithfulness, love, and obedience. So today, I choose to rest in this truth, and I encourage you to say this way with me. I am valued beyond measure, not because of what I have, but because of whose I am, the living sanctuary of the living God. Please remember that. A blessed day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.